Pakistan vs New Zealand T20 Series 2024 Third T20 match. Match details and best playing 11. Date 21st April. Time 7:30 PM. Venue Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium. Pakistan team playing 11. Number 1 Saim Ayub. Number 2 Mohammad Rizwan. Number 3 Babar Azam. Number 4 Usman Khan. Number 5 Irfan Khan Miazi. Number 6 Iftikhar Ahmed. Number 7 Shadab Khan. Number 8 Abrar Ahmed. Number 9 Nasim Shah. Number 10 Shaheen Shah Afridi. Number 11 Mohammad Amir. New Zealand team playing 11. Number 1 Tom Blundell. Number 2 Tim Seifert. Number 3 Dan Foxcroft. Number 4 Josh Clarkson. Number 5 Mitchell Bracewell. Number 6 Mark Chapman. Number 7 Jimmy Nisham. Number 8 Ben Lister. Number 9 Jacob Duffy. Number 10 Ishodi. Number 11 Ben Sears.